Hello and welcome once again to the Love Spoon Workshop. Today's quick video is showing you how you can have a little go at making your very own personal Valentine's Day gift. Now in this example we're making a little keyring and we're hand carving a simple little flower. What we're demonstrating in the carving is the simple process of the basic skills of wood carving. So what you do, you measure out your cut, you angle your gouge away from where you're going to be cutting, and then you cut down into the wood. Afterwards then you actually go around the petals and add a little bit of depth and a bit of detail to the carving. So that's the process you're going to see us doing. In regards to getting a simple outline for your keyring, there's a few different methods that you can use. You can either use a coping saw, which is the more sort of traditional way for cutting out your basic profile. You can use a bandsaw or you can use a scroll saw. Nice thing with doing any sort of project like this, there's no rules or regs. The main thing is the sort of message and the love then that is being put into that very personal gift. So you don't have to worry about, it's got to be done in a particular way. That's the beauty of handcrafts. There's no right or wrong. You can enjoy the process and have a little go at making your own personal Valentine's Day gift. As always, with what we do here at the Love Spoon Workshop, our little keyring, it has a story and a message. It's the key to your heart, hence the heart shape. And then the flower, you hope that love will blossom or continue to blossom. So to go over the full method, you cut your keyring out using whatever method, whatever equipment or whatever tools that you've got available to you, or whatever tools that you would like to use to cut that basic outline of a heart shape. You then hand carve your flower design onto your keyring. From there then, you just put a little bit of oil or shellac or beeswax or whatever finish that you want to use on the keyring. And then the final stage is to put a little, we call it a keyring swab. It's a little sort of metal clip that the keys can be hooked onto. And that's the final stage then, is to actually put that metal clip on. Being a wood carver, that's actually the stage that I find the most difficult, is putting the metal clip on at the end, because it's not really my forte, but something we have to do, and it finishes off and it makes it a really nice personal gift that somebody can put their keys on and they can have that little gift that you've made them wherever they go. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be back again soon with more videos from the Love Spoon Workshop.